This is going to be a video review of the Wrigley's Extra Long-Lasting Flavor Cinnamon Flavored Sugar-Free Gum. This better say sugar, yeah, sugar-free. So, you check out my channel. I think I've done a couple reviews of the Wrigley's Extra Long-Lasting Flavor Classic Bubble. I've been chewing this stuff forever. Can't find it in the stores. I've gone into all the stores that used to carry it. And I know somebody wrote some comment about, left a comment about why it's not in the stores, because it doesn't, the flavor doesn't last and it doesn't make bubbles. You know, most of the gum you buy nowadays, flavor doesn't last. And when you were dealing with sugarless gum, the flavor is not going to be there. When you have sugar gum, you're going to have lots of flavor because it's sugar and a lot of junk that they put in there. When you're sugar-free, it's a whole different story. So I buy this stuff by the case. I chew it all the time. I'm not sure if that's good for your jaws or TMJ if you have those problems, but I like to chew it. It's good. And what I do is I chew it and then I swallow it and I drink lots of ice water and it turns rock hard. And then I break it apart with the tip of my teeth and swallow it. So I swallow a lot of gum. So I've been chewing this stuff for years. And I thought, let me go see what other flavors they have. I think they have a spearmint. I wasn't sure that I wanted a spearmint. Some spearmints are really strong. And I don't know what other flavors they had. But I bought the cinnamon because I like cinnamon. And I'm hoping it's going to be good. So we're going to be doing a review of the cinnamon extra long-lasting flavor Wrigley's sugar-free, sugarless bubble gum. I think it's got some type of chemical in there for a sugar substitute. When I did the review on this, I was looking at the label and I went, why is this weird chemical in here? And I looked it up and I went, whoa, I don't want to chew this stuff anymore. But it's really hard to find gum that doesn't have stuff in there that you might question. So, if you like my videos, do a thumbs up, subscribe, a like. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. Only a few people have done that, and I do appreciate that they have. Keeps my channel going. You know, I do make some money on these things as a creator, and I donate a lot of money, help out a lot of people, and elderly neighbors. I buy them chickens at the store and other things, so, you know, it goes to a good cause. So here we have the Wrigley's cinnamon flavor. And I'm going to test this thing out now. I want you to enjoy this experience with me. So let me get the camera turned around and we'll enjoy the gum together. All right, people, here we go. Here is the Wrigley's cinnamon gum. And I am going to give you my honest opinion. As I said, I chew the bubble gum all the time. This is what it looks like. It has the little coating. That's probably the flavor coating, powdery coating. I want you to enjoy this with me. It tastes really good. Wow. I'm kind of surprised. I'm sure you could hear it in the tone of my voice. I'm really surprised. They don't do it now. With this generation. But when I was a kid in school, we had this big thing about cinnamon. And we would buy cinnamon oil at the store, and we would put toothpicks in there. We thought we were really cool sucking on toothpicks at school. We did something else. I can't remember what we did. We made cinnamon, we didn't make cinnamon candy. We did the cinnamon toothpicks, and we did something else with the cinnamon, and it was extremely, very, very hot. So I'm going to chew this for a little while I experience the taste and get a longer video. Well, right from the start, it kind of tastes like putting cinnamon oil in your mouth. It is strong but not burning. Now, I'm chewing the gum, and it really feels soft, like it wants to kind of break up a little bit and fall apart. The roof of my mouth has that cinnamon burning feeling without a burn. It tastes really good. As I said, I've been chewing this stuff, the bubble gum, forever. And I like the taste, I really do. Works out really good if you're in a dance class or something. Take a stick of that bubble gum and you start chewing it, and everybody says, "Oh my gosh, it smells really good here." What is that? Who is that person who has bubble gum scent? And then they want to be near you. Well, they don't really want to be near you. So it was a thought, it was a dream. But this stuff is really good. I'm not really chewing it a lot. The piece of gum got really small. Like I said, it felt like it was going to fall apart, but it got really small. But it tastes delicious, it really does. The upper part of my mouth is not burning anymore. Not really burning, I don't want to say burning. Kind of towards the back of my throat. Or the beginning of my throat. Why would I say the back? You know, people say the back of their throat, but it's really the front of your throat. So when it's at the back of your throat, it's all the way down. Kind of has a little burn, a little cinnamon feel. So let me do what I normally do, and then I can figure this out. I'm going to take the second stick. So that's what I usually do at night. I take 2 sticks of gum, put them in my mouth, and start chewing them, break it in little pieces, drink that ice water, flavor starts coming apart. Chew on the ice a little bit, ice gets hard, break it apart, swallow it, and I'm done. So, yeah, now this is, now there's more gum to it, and stronger flavor now that I've got the second piece in there. It tastes really good. It smells good. It really smells good. So now the tough decision is, do I move from bubble gum to cinnamon? Do I get a package of bubble gum and a package of cinnamon? Do I give up on the cinnamon and go back to the bubble gum? As I said, the smell of that bubble gum. You walk in a room and you're chewing on that stuff, everybody knows. And it smells so good. But right now, I'm chewing on the cinnamon gum, and I might change my mind tonight or in a couple days, but right now I really like the taste of it. Making me think maybe after, hey, that was 2 maybes, maybe making me think maybe. I'm thinking that I might, well, there's a message. Yep, everybody wants to talk to me about my reviews. So remember, if you have a product you want me to review, let me know. If I can get a hold of it, I will do a review and put it on my channel, because that's what I do. So I'm thinking maybe if I want to buy the spearmint flavor or the other flavors that they have, yeah, that's something I might do. So I set a timer before I started recording for 10 minutes, and it looks like I set it for 10 hours. It's a good thing I noticed that, or I'd be recording this one review for 10 hours. I would be here all through the night until the morning. I'd have to plug the thing in because I would run out of battery power, and then I'd say, whoa, nobody wants to listen to 10 hours of a review of this. Hold on, I'm getting prepared. Extra long-lasting cinnamon flavored gum. Let's see what it says in the package. For those of you that want to look up what is in this gum, I think it's all listed over there. I can't really see. It looks like it is. There's the label. Facts on the calories and the carbs and everything else. Okay, so I thought, why isn't this timer moving? I set it for 10, and it's been sitting at 9 forever, but like I said, that's the hour. So I have been talking right now for almost, the beginning I talked for 3 minutes. This I've been talking for almost 8 minutes. So I'm going to keep this thing going for just a little bit longer. Chew the gum a little bit. Make sure to leave comments on the video. I like comments. I definitely enjoy likes. Thumbs up helps me out a lot as a creator. Rude comments definitely get reported to you, to the YouTube, and then they wipe out your account. So be careful what you do when you write to me. No rude comments, no rude insults. Anything you say, I don't really care anyway, unless it's something positive or good. So, any of the negative stuff, no time for that. Orange Band does that every day on the news, so I don't need to deal with that on the tube. I've got a minute and a half left. So I'm going to finish off the half a minute, and then I'm going to start giving you my final comments, my final personal review, beliefs, thoughts, feelings, emotions about this gum. Just put a new light bulb in here. It's kind of bluish. Yeah, that's why my face looks a little blue. Or my lips. All right, so we've got 1 minute left. What do I think of the cinnamon gum? I think it has a lot of really good flavor. My mouth, if this was kind of like a red hot candy, my mouth would be partially on fire. So it's got very good flavor. I don't know if I chewed it a long time, if it would keep the flavor. It smells really good. I think it is good for me right now because while I do love the bubble gum, it's always good to have a change in life. You just don't want to do the same thing over and over again because that's just not living. You have to experience a different flavor of gum on occasion. G-U-M, I said a flavor of gum. Gum. So, will I buy it again? Yeah, I'll buy it again. There's no doubt I'll buy it again. It does have a nice flavor to it. The chew is really good. One piece I didn't like it. One piece was not enough of a piece of gum, and it was kind of wobbling around in my mouth and drooping around and kind of soggy with saliva. But when I had 2 pieces, that was a really good piece of gum. Something I could chew. It feels exactly like the bubble gum. So the bubble gum, I think, is just the bubble gum flavor. I think I should be able to pop a bubble with this. Kind of not. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget, thumbs up. Enjoy chewing your cinnamon-flavored, extra long-lasting flavor, sugarless, sugar-free cinnamon gum from Wrigley's. Thanks for watching. Little product view over here. New. Oh, it is new? I didn't know it was new. Yeah, there we go. Extra.